What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey, and today we are going to react to the Can-am Ryker replacement LED system that Slingmods just released. Hey, like I said, I'm going to keep y'all up to date. Anytime something come out new for the Can-am Ryker, I got you. No, but for real, I got you. You don't have to look to the right or the left, man. Come right here to Locked In with Trey, and we going to get it in. But hey, without further ado, stay locked and stay tuned.
Now, if you're not digging the light output on the factory yellow halogen bulbs that came equipped with your Can-am Ryker, or you're just looking to take the front end of your Ryker up a level, then we've got something really special for you.
Them look hard.
Introducing our replacement LED headlight kit for the Can-am Ryker and Ryker Rally.
Thing got eyebrows.
These replacement headlights have an IP67 waterproof rating and have been cast specifically for the Can-am Ryker as a direct OE replacement.
Hey, I gotta get them.
Each housing features a polycarbonate lens for optical clarity, as well as an aluminum housing with integrated heat sinks for quick heat dissipation.
Got the Dragon Ball Z eyebrows.
And of course, to keep things in proper Slingmods fashion, this mod is 100% bolt-on and 100% plug-and-play, thanks to our friends over at Trick LED.
Gotta have them.
Now, these are more than just replacement headlight housings. They also feature integrated white LED running lights, as well as turn signal functionality, enhancing your presence on the road.
About to come down the highway like this.
But the real star of the show here is the headlight output. While the low beams are 2,640 lumens, the high beams kick out a whopping 4,020 lumens, emitting a bright white 6,000 light output on the Kelvin scale. The illumination of these headlights versus stock is literally night and day. It's actually slightly embarrassing for the stock bulbs, but we don't expect you to take our word for it, so we're going to take two of our Rykers out on the open road to show you the difference between the stock yellow halogen bulbs and our replacement LED headlight assembly. Let's roll.
Let's roll. Oh yeah, that's a big difference. Dang. Hey, comment down below. Y'all want this? Y'all getting this? I'm getting this. I need to know the price though. Yeah, this is hands down the best LED lights I've seen for the Can-am Ryker, man. I don't even know why they made the stock lights so dim. Yes, sir. Gotta get the eyebrows. That's what I'm gonna call them, the eyebrows. Yeah, that's clean. That's clean.
All right, so now that you know what this mod is and what it can do for you, allow me to walk you through the installation process on one of our shop Rykers. Start by removing your key from the ignition, then slide open your gas door and pop these 4 push pins up and off.
Oh, that's already too much work. Nah, just playing.
Then lift open your glove box and pop off these other 4 push pins so that you can remove your 2 side panels. Next, unscrew and remove these 2 T20 Torx screws.
Those Allen wrenches. I got a set of those.
Then push down on these 2 tabs to release the glove box.
Gotta take
so you can lift it up just enough to unplug these 2 wires and set it aside for now. Now the screw you'll need to access is towards the front of the opening and more than likely hidden under a piece of white tape. So you may need to pull up on the tape in order to access this T30 Torx screw and remove it.
Don't worry guys, when I get mine, I'm gonna do a whole video, so.
Along with these other 2 on top. so that you can pull the headlight assembly out just enough to unplug it from the back.
Oh, that's not hard.
Next, you can take the new headlight assembly and plug it into the same harness.
So far, so good.
Now, it's important that you start threading in the new mounting screws by hand to prevent cross-threading, since the headlight housing is made from a soft cast aluminum. Then go back through and tighten them all down with a 4mm Allen wrench, making sure not to over-tighten. Now, before we can use the plug-and-play connector shown here to operate the integrated running light and turn signal functionality, you're going to need to have our front fender accessory power harness installed. So if you haven't already purchased and or installed the fender power harnesses, I'll link you in the description below, since those will need to be installed first.
It don't
If
even
you
come
already
with
have
it.
our front fender power harness installed, take the extra loom of wire and run it down along the frame next to the factory wiring harness already on the bike to the open port on your front fender accessory power harness.
They tried to do us. It don't even come with it. Hey, I low-key would have been mad if I'd have got the headlights and didn't have all the pieces I needed. Come on, man. Go slip that in there to fine print. It be your own kind.
Next, take a Y harness from the kit and add a little dielectric grease to each end.
I don't know if I got any of that.
Then plug it into the open end of your accessory power harness and plug in the new headlight to the other open end with the white plug. As you can see here, the included Y splitter provides you with an extra port. That extra port will not be used for this application, but will allow for future expansion of additional plug-and-play lighting mods you may consider adding down the road. Next, you can turn on your ignition and start your bike to make sure everything works.
Man, that looks so much different and better.
Before going back through and zip tying any excess wiring up and out of the way from any and all moving parts. And then you can simply repeat that same process for the other headlight.
Man. Eyebrows looking like old boy
reinstall your
off of
glove
Sonic.
box and side panels in reverse order you remove them.
Okay, we get it, player. Well, there you have it, folks. The LED system put in from start to finish. Well, kind of finish. Y'all get the picture. Y'all get the point. Now, the question is, are you going to get you a set? I'm thinking about getting me a set sometime in the future. So, hey, don't be surprised if you see your boy with the eyebrows looking like Mr. Roboto. You know what I'm saying? But as usual, you know I had to come on here and show you guys this new, improved LED lighting system, you know what I mean? And anything else that Can-am Ryker comes out with, Slingmods come out with, hey, I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna be one of the first to let y'all know. Trust me, I got time. But anyways, let me know down below if you're gonna get you a set, man. And also tell me how you like the lights, man. Do they look dope, man? I think they look dope. Way better than what it came with. The lights almost look a little mean. They got that mean factor, the way the eyebrow shape is going in like that. But the way the Ryker looks on the side view, that side angle, hey, it fits. It fits. But anyways, guys and girls, that is it for the video. Go on and throw your boy a thumbs up, man. And come on and subscribe to Locked In with Trey, because we dropping bangers on the weekly, maybe even on the daily. Who knows? I've been rocking it for the daily here the past week, you know what I mean? So we gonna see how long I can keep up with the daily thing. But hey, if I can't, just know that you're gonna get it every week, multiple times throughout the week. So hey, you don't even have to worry about that. If you're coming for the content, the consistent content, you come to the right place. So go on and throw your boy a thumbs up, subscribe to the family, join the Locked In family, man. What are you waiting for, player? Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Come on and join me over here at Locked In with Trey. And you already know what it is. It's your boy Trey Smith bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Alright, peace.